I've been lucky enough to find these cool inflatable rafts. They are hard to find. We'll start with the largest one. I got this raft in a trade. It was sold as a 1/6 scale combat assault raft. I googled it and found an old listing for it on Entertainment Earth. Sold out, unfortunately. The description is as follows. The inflatable raft is designed for collectors to display 6 or more 12-inch action figures. You can play with it too. Featuring 4 paddles, a working flashlight keychain, and a repair kit. Designed by collectors for collectors. The Combat Assault Raft is a revolutionary product in the 1/6 scale collector's market, or at least it was. The Combat Assault Raft is made of PVC, sonically welded with 17 D-rings, 5 handles, grab lines, and all the authenticity expected in the market today. The Combat Assault Raft is an authentic replica of the Special Operations Inflatable used by the Navy SEALs. When not in use, the raft can be folded and placed in the bag for storage. Taking a closer look at those D-rings and grab lines, it also features 4 storage loops for the oars. There's 2 handles on both sides and 1 on the bow. It can easily accommodate 6 figures. It has 1 inflatable air chamber. I aired this up with my mouth, and it took a while. The valve features a cool one-way flap. You have to squeeze the valve to air it up. I'm going to find a small bike pump to air it up in the future. That'd be much easier. On the stern of the raft, they made an area to attach an outboard motor. It didn't come with one, but I'll bet you can find one from another toy and modify it to work. Sounds like something I'll have to do. I really like the oars, but they seem a bit small. Most of the oars I find for Zodiacs are at least 5 feet. I found only one picture online of the military using oars, and they seemed a bit longer. Starting to look like I might need to do some raft accessory videos. The raft will fold up and fit in this cool green bag. Again, I really need to find a good air pump. It took some effort pushing the air out of this. The one-way valve can be a pain sometimes. There's an area to stow the oars on top of the bag. I'm not sure how much I like the position of the oars. I might make some bungee cords to wrap around the bag and create some better handles. Captain Zodiac is next. I found an eBay listing for this and found out it was from a gift shop at a tourist attraction in Hawaii called Captain Zodiac. Who knew? It's a lot smaller than the Combat Assault Raft. It can only accommodate 2 or 3 figures. It has 1 air chamber but doesn't feature the one-way valve. It's a lot easier to inflate with your mouth. I got this one in a trade. It didn't come with any oars. The oars from the larger raft work much better with this small raft. The skull and crossbones on the bow crack me up. Just look at it. It doesn't even have any teeth. It's like a geriatric skull or something. It doesn't have D-rings, a grab line, or handles. On the stern of the raft, there's a warning calling it a bathtub toy. I wish I knew of a way to get rid of the paint and just have a black raft. This last raft was a gift from Terry Lee Stair Sr. He's a very generous Joe collector. This is a small G.I. Joe life raft. He also included this oar and a few other cool items. It features 1 air chamber, but no one-way valve. It's kind of hard to inflate and seal before the air escapes. The bow has a small loop for a line. It comes in handy if you want to tie the raft up or create an anchor. The air valve pushes in so it's not as visible. When it's deflated, it folds up pretty small. I should make a backpack for this to fit in, and maybe a smaller oar. I think that'd be cool. Well, that's all I have for you. Let me know in the comments section if you have any rafts, boats, or ships. Tag me on social media if you have any pictures you would like to share. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. Press that like button if you like this video. Share this video with your friends. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.